Hey guys, Shauna here. I like numbers. I think you do too. And I actually had shot this video earlier, but I needed to reshoot it, just trying to protect the privacy of the agent in question because it is a really, really good example, but they don't, necessarily want everybody reaching out to them to take their stuff. So when we say we actually pulled some analytics direct from Facebook, so we can kind of give you a case study that's literally by the numbers when it comes to your organic reach. So on this case study, this agent had been using an auto posting service. And she was actually using, I think it was, there's so many. It was Circle Pix that she was using. That's correct. I can show you that too. But right now, since she stopped using them in June, her reach has increased exponentially. Whereas she used to get 2 to 3 people or sets of eyeballs on her content using an auto posting services, when she began scheduling her own content out on the web that was organic to her for her Facebook business page, her reach went from 2 to 3 people to anywhere between 23 to 68 people on each and every one of her posts. She's also doing a couple really smart things like cross promotion. For example, when she's at closing with some of her customers, she's tagging the title company. That's a good idea for cross promotion as well. None of, by the way, I want to give you this little tidbit, none of these posts are boosted, sponsored, or even ads. This is completely 100% organic reach. So I'm going to give you a couple examples of what she's doing right. What she's doing right is she's staying away from links. She's focusing heavily on pictures, and Facebook likes that. That's the differentiating factor in between getting 2 to 3 sets of eyeballs on your content versus 26 to 40 sets of eyeballs. Another thing that she's doing that is very clever is she's taking pictures of homes that she's already sold. She's putting a collage together of those homes and marking them as sold on her page. That's helping her reach more people with her content. Now, I do want to point out her engagement isn't necessarily where we'd like to see it, but you have to start with reach first. Before you can get to engagement, the reach, the sets of eyeballs on your content, has to be a primary factor. Now, here's another example of a post that got between 23 and 48 people reached. Out of, by the way, not millions of fans on her page. She only has 253 fans on her page. She's also doing homes that are under contract and marking that as a separate picture. Now, I told you what she was doing really well. Now I'll tell you what she could be doing better and what you could be doing better as well. If you are taking pictures like these and putting them, for example, on Instagram, you can set it up to auto share to your Facebook page using IFTTT. That's ifttt.com, which is if this, then that. And it will auto share your Instagram photos to your Facebook page, which actually helps your reach go even further because Facebook really likes pictures shared from Instagram. Above and beyond that, the one thing she's neglecting to do, and so many people are neglecting to do, but I can't say it enough, video. Video is a fantastic way to increase your reach. So if you can go from an auto posting service that you're paying $40 to $50 a month for to scheduling your own organic content using very picture heavy and very video heavy marketing, if you can go from 2 to 3 people on a page that has 253 people who've liked it, 2 to 3 people to 23 to 48 people, which one, in your opinion, is a better solution? For me, it's going with more reach because, like I said, the more reach you get, the more possibility you have for engagement or people contacting you. Another thing this agent's doing very well is storytelling. So at closing day, the clients brought her one of her favorite books. She's taken a picture with them at the title company and another picture in front of the house. So again, just kind of telling a story and showcasing how she helped clients. This one actually had the best reach of all, and it reached 68 people organically, not without a boost, without an ad, 68 people completely organically. So when we're saying that storytelling is vital, that putting your story out there is absolutely important, and showcasing how you are helping people achieve their dreams and what they're wanting to do, that is absolutely vital to your business, and it will showcase a massive advantage for you on the organic side in comparison to agents who are putting stuff out there and only 2 to 3 people are seeing that something. So that reach is very, very, very important. And that's just something we wanted to bring you kind of as a little value add today. If you have questions, please ask them in the comments below. And remember, Facebook loves photos. So the more photos you start sharing and the more they're organically from your phone, the more content you're putting out there that doesn't have a link attached to it, because that hurts you every single time. In as much as reach goes, not necessarily as engagement. That's a different conversation. But just to start getting some more sets of eyeballs on your content to raise brand awareness, reach is absolutely vital. So we just wanted to share that with you today. We hope you found that helpful. Like I said, if you have questions, please leave them in the comments box below, and have a great Monday.